Silent. Well, a vibe in it. Yeah. It's island. Boy. Good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to the Island Boy Africa channel. Yesterday, guys, so you all see the title, you see the thumbnail, so you definitely know what this video is about, yeah? Alright, so if you're new, I'm a Jamaican who is living in Australia, and it's actually spring. So right about now, you see me in my jumper as well. You might thinking, oh, you know, why am I in my jumper? But it's early in the morning and it's still a bit chilly, you know. So yeah, it's nice weather though. So what's gonna happen this morning, guys? Let me show you what I have here. This morning I'll be sowing some sorrel seed, you know what I mean. It says a taste of Asia, which it's otherwise known as Rosella. And I have some sweet corn which I'm gonna put in the ground today, you know what I mean. I have plenty more stuff to sow, but for now the main thing that I really want to put in is the sorrel, because they take longer. I think they take like 5 months, 5 to 6 plants begin to about 3 months, something like that. Yeah, 3 months. Yeah, man. So I'll be planting the sorrel and the corn, and we get the ball rolling from there. All right, so stay tuned for also what else I have to plant. All right, and yeah, and also yesterday I went to what's the place called? Right, I forgot the name of the store, but anyway, I went there and got some seed and along with these, so take a look at that and then we get straight to the video. Place that I'm looking for some seeds for my garden. So what I'm here for is some corn, and hopefully I can find the sorrel again. Some sorrel and the red callaloo. Right here I got them the last time. Alright. Alright, so here I found the callaloo. Still haven't seen the sorrel yet though. The sorrel is the main one I came for. Definitely take another corn. Oh, look at it. I found it. Taste of Asia. Rosella. Yeah, man, so I got plant these. So I have callaloo, sweet corn, and sorrel. I might just try one of these bean climbing. This one, well, it's just actually one inside of it. I think I'm gonna get this one instead. The last time I had the full green one, so this is a dwarf bean. And do this. Gotta get sweet pepper, otherwise capsicum. Thinking of what else should I plant. I have all type of different things here. The cow crossing the road. Farmer line them up.
Oh, they're so skinny, these cows. What's wrong with them? They're really malnourished.
Look at they use for milking. Like, use for milking cow. Look at them, I come across the road, man. I swear I don't want them licky carrying on the move. I want a belly big. Put them on, I have hundreds of cow with that thing. I don't know if y'all noticed the difference between here and there. So I started plowing up right here with the fork and taking out all the small weeds, which is what I'm gonna be doing with all of this section that I've cleaned up. You know, go through it and take out more weeds that's probably under, or most of it anyway, you know what I mean. So yeah, this is where I'm gonna be making the seed bed for the sorrel and the corn. Yeah, man, so this is what I've been doing, just taking out all the little small pieces of grass. Yeah, man, so this is little Jamaica, you know. Yeah, I'm not no farmer, but I love planting, so you'll always find me planting something. I just love to plant, and it's not just about reaping. I actually just love to see things grow, bloom, and just blossom into just being fruitful, you know what I mean? Yeah, it's a beauty. It's like watching your kids grow, you know. And one day when I want a piece of land in Jamaica, it's the same thing I'll be doing on a bigger scale, you know. Going in first. Okay. So the sorrel I can find right here easy, and the red callaloo as well. I still need the green callaloo though. I actually want to get it, and there's a place that has gungo, but it's like in the Gold Coast, 2 hours drive from here, so, and they don't deliver it, so gonna have to go there to get some gungo. So I found gungo peas, as we call it at Jamaica. Yeah, so this is the sorrel, my people. Why does the packet seem smaller than the one before? Seems like it's only a few seeds. Alright. I'm gonna plant them in this bed right here. You all can see the sun is rising too. It's getting higher and higher, exposing over here. And so that is that. Cover him up. This time around I cannot complain about not planting the sorrel early. The only thing now, like as you guys said from last time, space them out, make sure they have enough space. So I'll try improve that this year, and hopefully the rain don't fall too much and the trees fall down like the last time as well. Yeah, yeah man, so that and then just put a stick for mark. So this is my boundary. I don't go any further here, stepping or anything. Then now to plant the corn over here. Alright, corn time. A taste of America's corn time, people. If y'all can see that, those are all the corn. We're gonna be covering them up. Alright, so the whole of this area is my bed right here. So corn right here, sorrel right there. So look out for them start bust up very soon, yeah?
Stronger, you're stronger. Since lately, me feel me a ton of monster. My mother told me I'm a cave.